Hello and welcome to the channel. I am that Evernote guy, providing you actionable content that you yourself can use to make your Evernote better and better. Today we're looking at TemplateBot, which, as the name suggests, and you might imagine, automatically adds templates to notes that you've tagged with a certain tag, and we're going to use it specifically to give our tasks a nice look and feel and some usable content to make them easier to use as tasks. So, as usual, I'm going to chuck myself down there and we're going to get straight into it. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my Evernote. I'm on the web setup today, and that will make it easier to show you what I'm going to do. So, first things first, we need to go pick up our task template. I've already built one. You're welcome to use it. I've put it in my R.U.L.E.R Note, and if you don't know what my R.U.L.E.R Note is, it's my really useful links and Evernote resources. R.U.L.E.R. I link that in the description of all my videos right at the top. So let's go to one of my videos there. It's my last one. Scroll down a little and you can see the R.U.L.E.R Note there. Got a bit.ly link, so let's click that. That takes you through to the R.U.L.E.R Note, and here's all the useful stuff that I've put in there that hopefully you find useful. Put this in this morning. Task template, automatically adding a neat and tidy template to work with tasks. So let's click the link there. That will take us through to the task template. And I did say it was simple. You can build your own one, but this is what it looks like. You'll notice that there are the curly brackets there with the word content in the middle. That tells Filterize where to put the content, and the rest of the template is added automatically. I've simply got a line there and a date and a comment to use to put dates and comments in when I'm working with my tasks. So I'm going to save that copy to Evernote. That will save it right into my Evernote. It's going to launch Evernote Web again, and it has been saved. It's telling us that it is a copy, not the original. If we make changes, it won't update it, which is what we want. So I'm going to continue, and it's gone into the All Notes view. Let's go into my shortcuts, and let's go straight into the inbox. Okay, there it is. Task template copy. Take the word copy out. Let's call it task template, and it's as simple as clicking the three dots in the top right, or the ellipsis, I believe that's called, and scrolling down to save as template, give it a name, save. It's done. Right, now we're going to go into Filterize. Okay, we're going to go straight into Filterize there. Got that set up. That's going to log us in, and that will show us our previously created stacks, which remember we must call bots. And we're going to create a new one. We're going to call this TemplateBot because it automatically adds templates. Then we're going to click on TemplateBot to make sure that we're adding this new filter in there. Create simple filter, and we want to apply a template here. And we click that, and then just simply click apply template, and we need to provide the template link now. So we need to go back to our Evernote, and we need to right click, and we need to copy web link, go back to Filterize and paste, and click continue. Now the if is going to be a tag, and we're going to put that we require the tag task, if I was in the right bit there, task, and select that and hit continue. You're almost done. Reminded me to name it, which I'm very pleased, because as you know, if you're a regular watcher, I always forget to name it. And I'm going to call this task template, and it's got stack uncategorized. We don't want that. We want it in this template bot. Thought I'd done that. Right, and click save. And we are done. And again, it's going to look for a brand new note that we just created with task template. We haven't, so I'm going to close that. It's going to get that running. Now, if we go into our Evernote, create a new note, and make a task up here. Remember to buy some milk. Need it for tea. So let's go into the tags down here and just type task and tab across. So that has now tagged the note with task, and in a second Filterize will come in, notice that there's been tagged as task because it's a new note, it's an active note, and Filterize only runs the filters or the bots on active notes, and it will tag it with our task template and add a nice little template there. So that's going to happen in a second or two, and it's going to look like that. So the content will go there. That's what the content brackets are for. And then it will just put that at the bottom of our task. So that should happen in a second or two. And as we can see, Filterize has interacted with our active note and seen that it's got something to do, checked all the bots, and it's seen I need to provide that with a little template, and it's automatically added that on. So when you're creating lots and lots of tasks using the TaskBot to extract them from meeting notes, and sometimes I think my record is 8 or 9 tasks from a single meeting, and extracting them all out, popping them all back into the task management system, having this little bot just add this nice little template makes it really easy to use and work with. And what I tend to do if I'm interacting with this, I'll use the date shortcut, which I don't know if that works on keyboard. It does. So I'll whack the date in there and put a comment, do this when I go to the shops later. Anyway, I just tab along, and then I might be coming to this a couple of days later, and then I put must get onto this, and finally put another tab in there, really go for broke here, completed. So we've now moved this note to our done category. Let's do that using the notebooks, because this might be how you interact with stuff. So let me whack me over there for a second. So here are the notebooks. So I believe if I drag this to the done notebook, there we go, it moves it into done. So if we now click into the done notebook, in a couple of seconds and what we would see here is that the white dot at the start of the task would be replaced by a green tick to indicate that it's done. But there isn't a white dot at the start of the task because I created this and I haven't set up my task stage bot to put a white dot at the start of anything tagged task. I've only done it for stuff that's coming from TaskBot via the extraction system. So I need to do some more. In the meantime, let's get Emojipedia up, if I could spell emoji. Let's find the white circle and let's copy that there, copy, manually paste that. So now you'll see in a second or two, Filterize will recognize there's been an active note because we've just made a change to that, as it says, updated a few seconds ago. It will recognize that there is an active note. It will pick that note up, it will run all its rules, and it will see, there's a white dot in there, but it's in the done notebook, and therefore I need to replace that with a tick. And it will run that execution, it will do it and update the Evernote server end. And then eventually when your client decides to sync again with the Evernote server end, it will recognize that change and make the change on your screen. But in the meantime, I need to go and build us the additional task stage bot. Otherwise, there, okay. Well, we saw at least task stage bot is doing what it's supposed to be doing, and we saw that it changed to green tick there to indicate that the task is done. But I need to go and build that other bot. I think I'll close this video out here now. It's put me full screen there. So this was a very quick video today. Just wanted to get that one out there. It's a very simple one to set up. I reckon you could do it in a couple of minutes. I think it makes your tasks look nice and neat, and it gives you that little case history so you can see what you've done. And quite often I'm in and out of tasks. They could be, completed over a couple of weeks, and it's just nice to go back to it and go, oh yeah, that's what I did last time. That's what I need to do now, and just get on with it. And it gives you the history there. It works for me anyway. Hope that works for you. It's really simple to set that filter up. And yes, I need to do another update video now on setting Task StageBot up properly to add those white dots in. Well, that's all for today. Thanks very much for watching. If you'd enjoyed the content, please leave a comment. I really enjoy reading the comments and interacting with you. So see you on the next one. Cheers.